So here's just a video comparison to the factory one. Just one connector, and then we got the Trumpet style hella. But basically we're just gonna do, we're just gonna connect them together like that, and then put the connectors on. And yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Should be pretty straightforward though, pretty easy. These connectors fit right in, so. Alright, so I pre-wired everything and connected them, so that's pretty much what they